Oh boy, I hope you had a great weekend out there. And we finished up this dresser. I just could not wait to share this with you. It turned out so wonderful. And if you saw us Friday do this live, or if you didn't, if you'll comment with the word faux wood, it'll send you the link to how we got this beautiful finish. And it looks like a wooden top. I want to show you what it looked like before, because it's just hard to believe it made that much of a transition. And here it is in its glory. So there's the old dresser. It was a 70s throwback, maybe come out of Elvis's house. I don't know, but it looked like it could. It definitely could have. And these are the little legs that we put on to the dresser. So see those little legs? Those are the 5-inch version of that leg. I know it's hard to see back that far, but they're gorgeous. I'm going to take the camera closer so you can see the top. But also, if you comment with the word hardware, it's going to send you the link to get the legs as well as this amazing adjustable pull. Dakota, would you get me one of those, the pulls? I should have kept that one of those in my hand. I'm sorry, she's going to get me one. I'm going to just show you how it works. You can drill a hole anyway. Maybe you've already got holes in your dresser, but this beautiful bar pull, this particular kind of a bar pull, lets you go into any hole, and this piece is mobile and slides, so you don't have to re-drill the holes. And trust me, you don't want to re-drill the holes. We've already gone through that. It had no holes today. The holes were not fun, but this is what was incredible about this hardware. And it has a little pin in there, so once you put the hardware on and tighten down the screw, that little pin stops these things from sliding and letting this bar move. But no matter what your set is on your cabinets, you can have these beautiful bar pulls without having to re-drill anything. They come in 3 colors. And if you comment hardware, it'll send you that, as well as those beautiful legs. And those come in 3 different heights. And they probably have some different finishes in them as well. But this is a brass. They don't exactly match, just to kind of forewarn you there. This one is a softer brass, and those legs are just a bit brassier, a little more yellow to them. But I don't think anybody's ever going to be in here with a magnifying glass and notice it. Dakota noticed it right off today. I said, hey, we got them side by side here, so I don't think anybody's going to be comparing them that close. But if you're particular, you might just notice it. So let me get you over here just so you can see just a little bit further back here, so you can see exactly what that finish created. And that was with me using the wide brush and all of those tools and everything you need in all of these colors. You pick your base color here, meaning what's on the cabinet itself. We've put all of that in a bundle, just like I said we were going to do. We got all that together to you. And if you comment with the word faux wood, it's going to send you a link here on Facebook for the video that we did where we made this finish happen. And it's also going to DM you the product bundle that you can get all the products. And that would include the vintage brown as well as the toasted oak that was underneath this, the stain we put on first, the tools, the antiquing that went over the top so you can see it all, as well as the wipes, the tool trio, everything you need to paint a bedroom suit. You're going to choose your own color here. This happens to be putty. If you like this color combination, which I think it's beautiful with this, it's nice, it's neutral, and it really picks up on all I'm doing in my little room that I told you about. So this is the little chair here, and this is kind of the colorway that we're doing in that room, and you can see how beautiful putty goes with that. And this is the chair that we painted, and I painted this in our beautiful color. Was this paprika or brick? This was brick. This was brick. This was, we did this, the cushion doesn't come off, but this is a painted chair that you can love. This is one that you can truly, truly feel and touch. Doesn't feel like a piece of cardboard, and doesn't gonna hurt your skin, even if you sat in it in shorts. So that's the technique, putting the paint on with a roller and then using those wipes, those incredible surface prep wipes that come in the canister, and removing the paint, just letting that paint dye, the actual pigment, go into the fabric. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, I hope you do. I saw Alyssa Hahn today posted a chair that she did, a beautiful damask chair, or actually it was a chenille. Sorry, it had a risen chenille. And she put it in our color wood rose. It was a dark golden color, and she painted the color wood rose over it. Normally, tone on tone is a little more difficult, but that one actually worked well. She did 2 coats, and I was surprised that she was still satisfied with the way it felt. She said it felt great. So every time I say paint and fabric, test it. I always want you to test it. I don't want you to mess up something. So I'm continuing to test different types of fabrics, and have a review on those coming up very soon. So again, comment with the word faux wood. It'll send you the link to how we did this to create that Pottery Barn look. It's so easy. I don't want you to get discouraged thinking there's too many steps and sounds like a lot to do. Literally, I wiped a piece down using the surface prep wipes. Then I put on the toasted oak, and there's a brush that comes in there, a little one of the project brushes to put it on. Put that toasted oak on, allow that to dry. Then I took the wide chip brush, the big wide chip brush or lime wash brush that's going to come in that bundle. Put on the vintage brown, just brushed it on quickly, put it on about 4 stripes down that, and that's it. Use the same brush to go around the edge and finished off that little edge, and that's it. That's all it took. So anybody can do it. It's nothing difficult to do, and I think it's very believable, and looks just unbelievable what it looked like before. And Dakota's got your, hey, bring me that computer back. She already took the computer from me. I want to show you the before again. Hold on just a minute. If some of y'all are just jumping on here with us. And those are on the website as well, right? That before and after picture? Yes. Okay. So there it is. So there's trying to get the glare off there. So there's what it was before. That's what the leg actually looks like up close. And there you go is the before picture. So I just wanted to come back and share it with you. Told you that we would. And she and I worked here and probably said some bad things out loud putting the hardware on because we were not drilling out the hole big enough to put the screw through. So we had a few screws that got stuck earlier, but now we realized just make the hole big that the screw passes through. You don't have to try to make it too small. That's what we were doing, but we got them on there. Thank you. Anyway, I hope y'all have a great one. We'll see you later. Bye.